what's good, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Alexis Hair, and I'm back again with another hair tutorial. If you see this hair on my head, then you already know what's going on, and if you've seen the title. So today I am back with Sunber hair, and I have a Vpart Balayage wig. This is their curly texture, and I got the wig in 18 inches. So I'm going to show you guys what it came with, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the hair, and then we'll get into the actual tutorial. So the hair was shipped in this box. Along with the hair, I did get 4 purple clips, and then also I got like a little baggie. It basically just has like a wig cap, really huge lashes, and some scars, and then also like an adjustable strap. Now, if I remember when I'm editing this, I will insert a picture of what the wig is supposed to look like. And obviously my hair is color treated. I have a lighter blonde on the top, and then the bottom of my hair is kind of like brown. So the balayage was kind of like a one-tone brown color, so I just went in with a little bit of bleach like in the front perimeter of the Vpart wig, and then I just put some bleach on there, 20 developer, and I left it on for probably about 30 to 40 minutes and rinsed it out. And I kind of got this lighter blondish color in the front so that it can like match my hair just a little bit more. The hair is very fluffy. The hair is very fluffy. It just took me a little bit to actually get the curls how I wanted to, but if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, make sure you guys stay tuned, keep watching, and check the description box for any links and information on this hair. All right, y'all, so I pretty much, this is like a super old braid out, so I have 3 twists on each side, and then I have this little mini twist right here with my hair that broke off a little bit. And I'm gonna leave everything else once I figure out where I want my part at. So taking the clips that I got with the wig, I think I want to do a side part. Twist it back with the rest of the hair, and I kept this hair in the front loose so that if I want to change the part, I can always just go back and part between all of this. And I'm just using my Mimi's growth cream to moisturize a little bit before I put it in the twist. Twist away. And like I said, this is an old braid out, so I already have product in my hair, so I'm not adding anything except for my growth cream. And I just like to put this in my hair just to keep it moisturized, especially because I have color treated hair. So sometimes, you know, not sometimes, but it's just always good to put extra moisture into your color treated hair. All right, so as far as the construction goes, I look super crazy, but as far as the construction goes for the Vpart wig, it's pretty much the same as any standard Vpart wig. You have your 2 combs on each side, the 1 comb in the back, which I'm not going to use. We have the comb on the side, or these are clips, these are combs, 2 combs on each side, and then adjustable straps. So I'm going to make sure the adjustable straps are pretty tight, but as far as the actual combs, I don't really like to use those, and I don't like to dig the clips too deep into my hair because I just want to make sure that I'm not causing like any type of breakage or damage to my hair. So this is our before. We're going from this to I don't know. So I did go ahead and lighten the hair just a little bit more because of the front of my hair is just a little bit lighter. I just put bleach on top of what was already balayaged. not super bad. I just don't want to be uncomfortable, because whenever you're uncomfortable with like clips like these, usually it's because they're pulling too tight. So I'm just going back in and kind of messing with them a little bit. Now we can undo this here. Okay, we looking crazy right now. Okay, my bathroom door is definitely open, but ignore that. I like it, but it's like the curls are not giving definition how I like. So I'm actually going to be annoying and spray more water. And I just basically tried to clump the sides together. So I split it in half. I'm going to spray this side. Just make it a little bit damp again. Take my brush and curl the brush out at the end. That way it like pumps the curls together, and hopefully when it dries, that'll give it a more like defined look. So this is what I'm working with at the moment. My baby hairs are curling up. We're gonna fix those eventually, but I'm gonna let the hair dry a little bit and then we'll see what we're actually working with.